Hello friends, welcome to my channel GSM Solution. In this video I am going to show you how to jailbreak iPhone 6's iOS 13.5.1 on Mac. If you want to learn more and new things about mobile software, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Open Checkra1n On Jailbreak tool and jailbreak your Apple device. Now open Checkra1n and reboot your Apple device recovery mode. Click Start tab to jailbreak your Apple device. Your Apple device jailbreak task done. Open Checkra1n and install Cydia. iPhone 6's jailbreak iOS 13.5.1 on Mac task done. Thanks for watching my video. Please support me, like, share and subscribe my channel.